Welcome. Today I'm going to take on the persona of the sales rep and the sales manager to illustrate NetSuite CRM. During the demonstration, I will cover lead management, the customer 360, and sales management reporting. Prior to implementing NetSuite, most companies face a similar set of business challenges. Most companies have a separate system to store and manage lead and customer information. Sales reps each manage their activities in their own way, causing a lack of visibility for sales management. They have the inability to target existing customers and manage sales opportunities, and NetSuite is going to allow you to auto-apply the best promotion to increase customer satisfaction. NetSuite has developed a set of leading practices based on our work with thousands of customers over the last 20 years. These leading practices are delivered out of the box and are delivered on day one. They were built to address many of the common challenges we see in lead and customer management. From flexible workflows that scale with your business to the built-in dashboards designed specifically to manage leads and customers. Real-time dashboards gives management insight into marketing programs, sales rep activity, and the active sales pipeline. NetSuite's integrated CRM solution gives you a 360-degree view of your customers, which helps drive customer satisfaction. Here I am logged in with my sales rep role, and on my dashboard, I can easily create with one click a new lead, an opportunity, a quote, or a sales order. I also have reminders of items I need to take action on. I can also keep up with top selling items, as well as track key performance indicators. Now let's look at creating new leads. People can go to my website and enter requests for information, and that will create them as a lead in NetSuite. Leads can also be imported and manually entered. Here on the lead form, I have entered in the basic contact information for a new lead, company information, as well as their request for information. Once I click submit, it will create that information in NetSuite for me and redirect them to your predefined website. If we go back to my dashboard in NetSuite, I can see that my leads has increased from 5 to 6, and I can go and drill into that to see my list of new leads. I see the lead that I created, Fry & Sons Restoration, and I can drill into that new lead. When I look at that new lead, I can see that they've received an automated email thanking them for their interest. From here, I could send them another email, or I could go ahead and schedule up a follow-up phone call. Click on the new phone call button, enter the information to follow up, go ahead and schedule it, and save. If I go look at my activities now, I can see on my calendar that scheduled phone call. Change it from month view to daily view, and I can see that phone call scheduled for 10 a.m. Now let's go look at our customer and see the customer 360. Using the global search, I can easily find and locate my customers. Let's go look at Oz Incorporated. With the customer 360, I can see all the information that's related and associated to this customer all in one spot. I can see some basic and primary contact information for the customer, as well as if I scroll down, I have many tabs to see additional data and information about the customer. Under the communication tabs, I can see any interactions that I have with that customer. Under the activities subtab, I see I have a series of activities, I have a few phone calls and events. Any messages that have been sent to the customer can be viewed here. If I drill in, I can actually see the actual specific information that says thank you very much for the interest in our company. So great history and audit trail of the interactions with that customer, as well as any files that we may need to attach and any user notes that we have regarding the customer internally. On the sales tab, I can see any open or past opportunities that I've had with that customer, see which ones I've won or maybe lost, as well as any items that they have purchased and when they last purchased those items and how many they bought. Under the relationships, I can see if they have any subsidiaries or sub-customers associated with them, as well as any of the many different contacts they may have associated with that company. On the address tab, I can see if they have multiple addresses with me, default shipping addresses, default billing addresses, and additional addresses as well. The financial tab is going to give us key information about their financial status with our company. Terms, price levels, credit limits, what's their balance information, what's a snapshot of their aging, if they have any credit cards on file. That type of financial information is key to the customer. As well as we can see marketing events. So what marketing events have they been a part of? hear a new product introduction, an ad that we ran. They're subscribed to billing information, marketing information, newsletters, product surveys, and updates. As well as we can see not only what we've sold to them in the sales side of the CRM, but also the support side for our business. We can see if they have support cases, if those cases are being attended to, escalated, and if they've been completed. So with that full view of the customer, we can see all of the key information, as well as we can click and go see a customer dashboard for that specific customer. So all the information on this dashboard is me specific to that customer. We can see the customer's main information, balance information, as well as key performance indicators for that customer. Their sales are up 25%. That's great news. Forecast, pipeline orders, unbilled orders. I can drill into the information as well. So I can go in and look at their current or previous sales and see a specific sales by customer report, and then be able to drill into the details on that number and see that it is consistent. Eliminates the need for multiple applications and integration strategies in tracking lead, prospect, and customer information. And remember, once live on NetSuite's leading practices, there are plenty of advanced features and functionality to take advantage of when the time is right. So as your business grows, NetSuite is there to scale with you.